You will level up physically, you will level up mentally, you will level up financially, you will level up spiritually. Everybody says mistake is the first step of success, but the real fact correction of mistake is the first step of success. Never post your achievements, post stupid stuff and jokes so they'll all think you have a no future. People hate progress. Seriously, just trust me. 2020 is gone. 2021 is also gone, but you have had also 2022 to prove them wrong. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are changed to change ourselves. Any powerful motivational script is not able to change your life, but your powerful action in any field is able to change your whole life. Always remember that your present situation is not a final destination. The best is yet to come. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it's happened. Thanks to those who hurt me, you made me a stronger person. Thanks to those who loved me, you made my heart bigger. Thanks to those who cared, you made me feel important. Thanks to those who left, you showed me that not everything is forever. Thanks to those who stayed, you show me that the true meaning of friendship. Shakespeare said, I always feel happy. You know why? Because I don't expect anything from anyone. Expectations always hurt. Life is short. So love your life, be happy and keep smiling. Just live for yourself. And before you speak, listen. When God gives you a new beginning, don't repeat the old mistakes. When we are no longer able to change our situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Only two things define you. First, your patience when you have nothing, and second, your attitude when you have everything. Sometimes you need bad things to happen to inspire you to change and grow. You are very hard to control when you are healthy. You are very hard to manipulate when you are clear. You are very hard to influence when you are sovereign. Happiness starts with you. Not with your relationship, not with your job, not with your money, but with you. Win your mind and you will win in your reality. It will hurt, it will be hard, it will be take time, but it will be worth it. Person who is okay with being alone is a powerful person. Be a powerful. This is not my best year, but at least I learned a lot. Be a creator, not an eraser. Don't count the days, make the days count. The only thing that can stop me is me. Infuse your life with action. Don't wait for it to happen. Make it happen. Make your own future. Make your own hope. Make your own love. And whatever you believe, honor your creator. Not by passively waiting for grace to come down from upon high, but by doing what you can to make grace happen. Yourself right now, right down here on earth. Change your life today. Don't gamble on the future. Act now without delay. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Where there is a will, there is a way. If there is a chance in a million that you can do something, anything, to keep what you want from ending, do it. Try the door open, or if need be, wedge your foot in the door and keep it open. No matter how many goals you have achieved, you must set your sights on a higher one. Look up at the stars and note down at your feet. Try to make sense of what you see and wonder about what makes the universe exist. Be curious.